Hello everyone, my name is Mario Bafemi and I'm going to have the pleasure of speaking to you all about the vast prospects of outer space. So I've always been interested in space. The whole question of are aliens real or not always intrigued me. So as you can see on the topic of a world apart, I've taken quite the literal sense. I used to walk around saying that I'd be on the moon someday, so you can imagine I am terribly excited to video my interests, the recent discoveries, and what's going on for all the other floating rocks. So particularly, I'm going to be speaking about exoplanets. So what are exoplanets? Simply, they're just planets outside our solar system. And I'll be speaking to you on the most notable ones today. First, we have Proxima Centauri b. This exoplanet is actually the closest known one to our Earth and is also in the habitable zone of its sun. This means if there does happen to be an apocalypse, Proxima Centauri b would be our best bet. Other than this, there's more, like TRAPPIST-1. This is actually not an exoplanet, but an ultra-cool red dwarf star. This happens to have 7 planets of the same size of our Earth in its system. And then, other than all of this, we do have exoplanets which are shrouded in mystery. For example, Kepler-70b. It was discovered by MIT researchers, and it happens to orbit its own sun in 8.5 hours. It takes us, Earth, 365 days. This rapid speed is actually due to the fact that it is 40 times closer to its own sun than Mercury is to Earth. So the fact that it was able to be formed at such a close proximity to its star is a complete mystery. There's so much more investigation into stars, exoplanets, and everything space. There's so much more out there as well. For example, in 2015, we had some researchers that found out that Comet Lovejoy left a trail of ethyl alcohol. This means that it also left 20 organic molecules as well as a type of sugar. From this, we can tell that not only can it dispense alcohol, it also proves the theory that celestial life forms might have had the possibility to contain life-creating elements. I hope that you enjoyed my talk on space and you learned something.